Hi everyone. Welcome back to Hackers League. Have you ever wondered how websites crash under heavy traffic? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of a DoS attack with a live demonstration. Before we dive in, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always use these techniques responsibly and with permission. Ethical hacking is about strengthening security, not causing harm. What is a DoS attack? A DoS, denial of service, attack is a cyber attack designed to make a service unavailable by overwhelming it with traffic or requests. Imagine flooding a website with so many requests that it crashes, like too many people crowding a door. There are different types of DoS attacks, such as network layer floods, overloading the network bandwidth, application layer attacks, targeting specific applications or services, resource exhaustion, consuming CPU, memory, or storage capacity. DoS attacks exploit system limitations, such as bandwidth or memory, to disrupt services. To understand a DoS attack, let's first explore how websites work. A website operates by handling requests and responses between a client, your browser, and a server. Think of the server as a chef in a restaurant and the client as a diner. The diner places an order, a request, and the chef prepares the meal, processes the request, and serves it, responds. But what happens if 100 diners show up at once, shouting orders? The chef gets overwhelmed and struggles to serve anyone efficiently. That's what a DoS attack does. It overwhelms a server with requests, making it unavailable to legitimate users. Demonstration. For this demo, I'll use the Xerxes tool. I've already uploaded a video showing how to create a simple PHP server for testing purposes. If you haven't seen that video, check it out for step-by-step instructions. First, let me start the server in my Kali machine. The same commands work for Termux. Now that the server is running, let's verify it in the browser. See, it's working. When you access a website, your browser sends a GET request to the server, asking for files like HTML and CSS to display the page. The server processes the request and responds with the resources, completing a cycle. Let's refresh the site. See how the cycle repeats with every refresh each time. The server handles the request and provides the requested resource. Now, let's simulate a DoS attack. I'll open a new terminal for the Xerxes tool. The command is /Xerxes host IP port. In our case, the host is localhost and the port is 4040. When I run this command, Xerxes sends a flood of requests to the server. Look at the terminals. The left terminal represents the server, which hosts the index.html file. The right terminal is the client, flooding the server with requests. Executing the attack, the right side terminal displays the client rapidly sending a massive number of requests, while the left side terminal shows the server struggling to handle the incoming requests due to the overwhelming influx. This process occurs at high speed, leading to a noticeable strain on the server. The repeated connections consume server resources like CPU and memory. If the attack continues for a longer period or with higher intensity, it can result in slower response times, denial of service to legitimate users, potential server crashes. And that's how a basic DoS attack works. Defending against DoS attacks. Now that you've seen the attack in action, let's talk about defenses. Rate limiting. Imagine a traffic cop for your server, restricting the number of requests a user can make in a set time frame. Firewalls and IDS, intrusion detection systems, think of these as security guards. Firewalls block traffic from known malicious IPs, while IDS monitors network activity and alerts administrators about unusual patterns. Load balancers, like traffic directors, these distribute incoming requests across multiple servers. This prevents any single server from becoming overwhelmed. Combining these methods creates a strong defense against DoS attacks, ensuring your services remain available to legitimate users. Today, We explored the basics of DoS attacks, saw a live demonstration, and discussed effective defense strategies. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.